everyone, I am Tanuja. You are watching Chemistry YouTube channel. We are with the class 11 chapter 1 some basics of chemistry. So in the last session we have discussed about atomic mass, molecular mass and how to calculate molecular mass. In this session I have come up with the important topic mole concept. This concept is important for your NEET exam and also for your board exam and other competitive exam. So this topic mole concept, you have this term you have heard in your previous classes. From the 9th onwards you will be hearing this mole. What is this mole? What is this mole? Mole is nothing but it is just a number. Mole is just a number. Mole is just a number, like just like you have you denote 1 dozen. 1 dozen is equal to 12 items. 1 score is equal to 20 items. 1 gross is equal to 144 items. Just like dozen, score, gross. Okay, 1 dozen is 12 items, 1 score is 20 items. Just like this, a mole is also it is just a number. It is just a number which is used in chemistry to count the entities or particles present in a amount of substance. So it is just a number. 1 mole. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, this is a big number in a chemistry we are using. Just like 1 dozen is equal to 12 items, 1 mole is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 23 particles. These particles may be atoms, molecules, ions, anything. Okay, this 1 mole is equal to, it is just a number which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. And we have a definition for mole. Definition for mole. 1 mole is equal to, it is a number of atoms present in it is a number of atoms present in a amount of substance. That amount of substance is here number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. 12 gram of isotope. For example, you have a 12 gram of carbon in your hand. Okay, you have a 12 gram of carbon. So you have to find the how many number of atoms present in that 12 gram of carbon. So in that we are using this 1 mole. 1 mole number of atoms, it is nothing but number of atoms is 6.022 10 to the power 23. Find the number of atoms we are using 1 mole. Okay, number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12 is nothing but 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. So here number of atoms is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay, and next if you are calculating 1 mole of molecules, 1 mole of molecules in a O2 molecule. Okay, 1 mole of molecules. So then you will represent 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. 1 mole of atoms in oxygen atom is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. 1 mole of molecules is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay. So this is about a very basic idea of mole concept. This is a very basic idea. So what is your mole? 1 mole is equal to, it is just a number which represents 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. So what is the definition? It is a number of atoms present in a amount of substance. Okay, that amount of substance here, the standard is 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Okay, this is a basic idea of mole concept. And next we have another term, important term, gram atomic mass. Okay, next important term, gram atomic mass. What is this gram atomic mass? We in the last session we have studied atomic mass. Okay, in the last session we have discussed about what is atomic mass. Then what is gram atomic mass? What is atomic mass? It is a mass of an atom. It is a mass of an atom. So what is the mass of an oxygen atom? Mass of an oxygen atom is 16 AMU. 16 AMU. How you will represent this AMU? AMU 16 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24. Okay, we have discussed in the last session 16 AMU. It is nothing but the oxygen atom is 16 times heavier than 1/12th part of carbon atom. Okay, what is this 16 AMU represents? It is nothing but it is a 16 times, the oxygen atom mass is 16 times heavier than the mass 16 times heavier than 1/12th carbon 12 isotope. So this is about atomic mass. Then what is gram atomic mass? It is nothing but mass of 1 mole of atoms. Okay, gram atomic mass definition is it is mass of 1 mole of atoms. Here the atomic mass is it is a mass of a single atom. Mass of a single atom. Atomic mass, it is a mass of a single atom. So what is gram atomic mass? It is a mass of 1 mole of atoms. 1 mole of atoms is 6.022 10 to the power 23. Okay, 1 mole of atoms is 6.022 10 to the power 23. So here gram atomic mass is the mass of these many number of atoms. Mass of these many number of atoms is called as gram atomic mass. Okay, same just like gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass. Okay, so it is also mass of 1 mole of molecule. It is gram atomic is mass of 1 mole of atoms. Gram molecular mass is mass of 1 mole of molecule. Mass of 1 mole of molecule. And here one thing, here we are representing atomic mass in the AMU. Okay, atomic mass is represented by AMU. But in the gram atomic mass, the mass of 1 mole of atoms or mass of 1 mole of molecules is represented by grams. It is represented by grams. For example, here we are taking what is the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen? Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen. 1 mole of nitrogen atom. So here, how we are representing here? Nitrogen atom, mass of 1 mole. What is the atomic mass of nitrogen? 14 into mass of 1 mole. 1 mole is nothing but 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, into 10 to the power 23. This 14 AMU, you should write 14 AMU as 14 into AMU. How to write AMU? That it is in a 14 AMU is in the form of AMU. Okay, it is represented by AMU. It is converted to grams. So how to convert 14 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24. So it is converted to gram. So these many, this is the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom. So if you calculate, it will come 14. Okay, then 14 it is represented in gram. 14 gram. Just like if you are calculating mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom, it will be 16 gram. If it is atomic mass, just a single atom mass, it will be 16 AMU. If you are calculating gram atomic mass, then it is written as a 16 gram. Number will be the same. Okay, so 14 gram and here 14 AMU. Number may be the same, but the unit you are representing, atomic mass and gram atomic mass are different. Atomic mass is represented by AMU and gram atomic mass is represented by gram. Same as gram molecular. So as the gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass can be also found. Here molecular mass, for example, we are taking molecule O2. Okay, oxygen is a molecule. So this O2, how many what is the what is the molecular mass of oxygen molecule? 16 into 2, 32. So 32 gram. 32 gram. It is a gram molecular mass. It is represented in the grams. So it is a gram molecular mass. For example, next example, water, H2O. So water, what is that? Molecular mass, it is 18. Okay, 18. Molecular mass is 18 AMU. Molecular mass is 18 AMU. But we are discussing here gram molecular mass. So it is written in 18 gram. The number will be same, but the representing unit will be different. In the atomic mass, we are representing AMU. In a gram, in a gram atomic mass, we are representing with gram. Okay, in atomic mass AMU, in gram atomic mass gram. This is about gram atomic mass and molecular mass. Now let us see one relation between the concept just we have studied. Okay, what are the concepts just we have studied? 1 mole and gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass. So here 1 mole is equal to how many particles? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, right? 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. And this is equal to, and the mass of these many number of particles, the mass of 1 mole of particles is equal to gram atomic mass. If the particles are atom, then it is gram atomic mass. If the particles are molecules, then it is gram molecular mass. So here, this is the relation which we have just studied. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, and the mass of 1 mole of particles. The mass of 1 mole of particles is equal to gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. So this relationship is important for solving a mole concept problems. Okay, this is important. Just to know this relation. It is important to solve the problems on mole concept. So here, let me take one example to understand this concept. Okay. Example, mass of, what is the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen molecule? Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen molecule. So we have discussed already. mass of 1 mole of nitrogen molecule. So it is nothing but nitrogen atomic mass is 14. So we have 2 nitrogen atoms, 14 into 2, 28. So it is since it is a mass of 1 mole, it is a gram molecular mass. So it is represented in 28 gram. It is gram molecular mass. Okay. And they may ask this question as a different way. How many number of atoms? Sorry, how many number of molecules are present? How many number of molecules are present in 28 gram of N2 molecule? Okay, how many number of molecules are present in 28 gram of molecule? So it is nothing but here gram molecular mass is equal to 1 mole of atoms. So 1 mole of molecules. So it is nothing but 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So how many molecules are present? These are the number of molecules present in N2 molecule is 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecule. So this way the questions will be asked in your NEET exam or other competitive exam or in your board exam also. So in the next video I will be back with some important numerical, some important mole concept based questions to solve in the next video, and also I am going to give some formulas to, you may use this logic or you may use some formulas. I am going to give some formulas. Based on that formula you can solve the mole concept problems easily. Okay, so in the next session I will be back with some important problems based on mole concept. Okay, thank you for watching this video.